Hey, it's Natalie from the DexPixel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit this schedule in Photoshop. Have in mind that if you're using Photopea or something similar, you can also open PSD file. Just make sure that any program that you're using for opening does actually support Photoshop PSD extension. So let's just start. I will try to keep this as short as possible, but also try to give you a lot of information how to edit, position, resize, move all the elements, and also show you some cool features that you can also use with this schedule. So when you open the schedule, you will see that there are a lot of groups, the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. And there are also some backgrounds. So let's start with the backgrounds and with the image. So first, what you're going to do is you can drag and drop your image artwork that you have and you place it in this group. It says add art in this group. So this will be for your artwork. You can delete this one. It's just the example of the artwork that you can add. It's not actually something that you need to use. It's just a preview example. So when you add your artwork here, you can position it as you like, resize as needed, and that's it. So then the next would be, currently we have option background with no frame. Like you can see, it has a small frame, but it doesn't have the outside frame like on this one. So this is the original one with frame outside, and this one, if you don't like it, you can keep this one with no frame. Then we have background number 2. This one is a little bit different. It's like a wavy frame, and you can use this one. Or in case if you're having a model that is a PNG model without the background, you can use background number 3, and then you can again add your artwork in this folder and then position as you like and as it suits you. So the next step is we can actually go and edit the days. So let's start with Monday, with Sunday, and then we're gonna move all the way to the Monday. So for example, on Sunday, when you open it, you will see offline, 2 schedules, and 1 day. If you uncheck everything, then there's nothing here. So let's say on Sunday, you will be offline and you're not going to stream. So open Sunday and then toggle the visibility, and it's gonna be offline day. You can also open the group, and here you will find offline 1, this one, and offline 2. You can disable offline 2 and you can pick offline this one. And as you can see, it's a little bit different, but it also means that you need to position and move your assets. So click on the 1st April, hold Shift on your keyboard and click on the last one that you want to move. And then you can just move it like this. Just hold it and move it as you like. So that's the thing. If you want to move some elements, you don't need to move it one by one. You can click on the first one that you want to move, hold Shift on your keyboard, and then click on the last one you want to move, and then just move them as you like. You can also, for example, change the colors. So if you want something darker or if you want lighter, it's totally up to you. So again, if you have all selected, you can change the colors depending on your layout of the menu. Like for me, it looks like this. But if you don't have these bars, you can also go to Window and make sure that you have character checked. That means that you can change color of your characters, and then you can choose the color as you like. I'm just gonna disable it. So that's the quick part of editing the text and the color. So let's say on Sunday we're gonna have the pink offline, and on Saturday you're also gonna be offline. So let's go and disable everything and then enable offline, and then we're gonna have this light variation. So let's go to the Friday, and on Friday, let's say you want to have 2 schedules. You're gonna have 2 streams, and let's enable 2 schedules. And here we go. Here you have a lot of cool stuff, like to edit the first one. You're gonna have the day, the date, and also the stream content, and also time zones. I added 3 time zones, and I'm just gonna zoom in to show you. In case that you don't want to use 3 time zones and you're using only 2, for example, as you can see here, there are like time GMT, PST, and EST. And if you don't want GMT, you can just disable. And again, click on the time PST and EST, hold Shift, and now you can move them together. And this is how you have 2 time zones. The same thing goes with 1 time zone. You just disable the one that you don't want to use and position as you like. So that's the idea with creating the 3 time zones and 2 time zones. You just choose how many you want and then adjust accordingly the position you need. And this will work for any day. All of the days have these time zones, so you can easily adjust them as you like and use them as you like. So the next one, let's go on Thursday. And on Thursday, let's say we want to use the normal day, so it's gonna be just normal day. Open the group, and again, here are the time zones. Here is additional text. Here is the label itself, and here is the date, and everything else is here. So, for example, if you would like to move, let's say April 8th, and you want to move it somewhere, you can see you can easily adjust the position as you like. For editing, you can press T, letter T on your keyboard, or on the menu you can press here letter T, that's the typography, and you see your cursor is gonna change like this. That means now you can edit the text. So you can just click and highlight the stuff that you want to edit and just type the month, the month you're streaming in. And also, if you don't like the month and you just want to have the date, here you go. You can just delete the month and have only the date. So that's totally up to you. You can also change the fonts if you like. I do have the fonts. I'm gonna show you here. So I do have the font. It's called Moontime and the Quicksand, and they are available. They're free to use, and they have a free commercial license, so you can use them on your stream if you like, and on your schedule. It's totally available for you. So that's all about the actual editing of the text. It's super simple and super fast. I'm not gonna go like all the way to adjust Tuesday and Monday. It's gonna literally be the same as all other days. You can also adjust the week off here, and then we also have schedule. There is a small info bar right here, art by. You can also move it as you like or edit. You can also add your own socials here, just edit the text, and adjust anything as you like. You can also change the position of labels. So for example, if you want the Monday be right here and the Tuesday is gonna be closer, or you want to change, in your case, for example, if you want to have option that your days are on this side, on the right side, what we can do is, let's disable this, choose all the days. Again, if you want to select multiple groups or layers, click on the first one, hold Shift on your keyboard, and click on the last one you want to move. So here we go. Now we can move all the elements right here, and as you can see on the top bar, you can actually position them so they are aligned in the middle like this. Notice that they won't be literally aligned on the middle, because some have like elements like flowers that are outside, and the alignment will be at the end point, not at the day point, as you can see here. So if you want to see the schedule or your artwork on this side, you can just literally move all the elements and adjust it as you like. And this is the simple use of this template, and I'm showing you on the purple color, but if you have the blue one, for example, or the pink one, or the red one, the whole idea of designing is the same, it's just a different color. And also I wanted to show you that, for example, if you want to use the PSD file, if you want to have template 1080 by 1080, that means that you want to have only the schedule without any artwork. You can use also this one. The editing is totally the same as you have the artwork. You just don't have artwork on this one. You just have the dates, and you can use them as you like. So that's it regarding the PSD file. And if you're using Canva, there's a video for Canva. If you have any questions or you need any help, please let me know. I usually try to answer pretty fast. So that's it from me, and have fun streaming and have fun. Bye bye.